Life has rules. Every game, every sport, and every industry follows them, including attraction. Yet most men walk through life clueless, thinking attraction is about money, looks, or cheesy one-liners. They try too hard or not enough, and in both cases, they fail. But the men who understand the game, they don't chase women. Women chase them. Here's the kicker. You don't need to be rich, ripped, or ridiculously handsome to attract women. You just need to understand a simple shift in how you speak and behave. And today, I'll break it down for you. In fact, just changing 2 simple words will instantly make women see you differently. It's so powerful that once you start using it, you'll notice women responding in ways they never did before. Sounds too easy? Let me prove it to you. Number 1. The 2-word switch that makes women want you. Most men communicate passively. They ask for permission. They say things like, "Can we hang out sometime? Can I take you for coffee? Can you come over if you're free?" See the problem? You're seeking approval. You're making her the decision maker, which kills attraction. Women don't want to decide for you. They want to follow a man who already knows what he wants. So what do? Swap, can we? For I want to take you to this amazing coffee place tomorrow. I want you to come over tonight. I'll cook something for you. I want to see you this weekend. See the shift? It's subtle, but powerful. Suddenly, you're the confident guy who knows what he wants. And women love that. Women aren't drawn to uncertainty. They're drawn to a man who leads. So next time you're about to ask for permission, stop. State your desire instead. Number 2, trigger the 2 things women can't ignore. If you want to attract women instantly, you need to trigger 2 of their most sensitive senses: scent and sight. Scent, the invisible attraction booster. Did you know that women have 50% more olfactory receptors than men? That means smell plays a huge role in how they perceive you. A guy who smells fresh, clean, and masculine will automatically be more attractive than a guy who doesn't. Pro tip: find a signature scent. Women associate scent with emotions. And if you smell great, she'll think about you even when you're not around. Sight: look like a man who respects himself. No, you don't need to look like a supermodel. But if you look sloppy, women will assume you live a sloppy life. Get a good haircut, dress well, wear clothes that fit. Fix your posture. The bottom line? Women are attracted to a man who takes care of himself. When you get your scent and style right, your attractiveness skyrockets. Number 3. Master the 4 rules of approaching women. Every approach is a test. The moment you say hi, a woman will do one of 4 things. Here's how to handle each one. If she smiles at you, compliment something she controls. Example: that's a cool bracelet, looks like you have great taste. If she says hi back, skip the compliment and start a conversation. Example: how's your day going? If she ignores you, move on. Not everyone will be interested, and that's okay. Confident men don't beg for attention. If she doesn't hear you, try again. She might have headphones in or been distracted. Simply restart. Hey, I wanted to say hi. Confidence isn't about getting every girl. It's about handling rejection effortlessly and knowing when to move forward. Number 4. Use the halo effect to appear instantly more attractive. Ever notice how a single flaw can ruin someone's entire attractiveness? That's the halo effect in action. If a woman perceives something about you as disgusting, like bad breath, greasy hair, or stained clothes, she'll automatically assume everything else about you is bad too. A study found that people who saw disgusting images before rating attractiveness scored potential mates significantly lower. Translation? If you give off even a tiny, gross vibe, she'll mentally put you in the never category. So what do? Eliminate all turnoffs. Keep your nails clean, groom your beard, or shave properly. Use mouthwash daily. Invest in a skincare routine. When women perceive you as clean and well-groomed, they'll naturally assume you have your life together, and that makes you way more attractive. Number 5. The secret to texting that makes women obsessed. Most guys make texting too predictable, and predictable is boring. If you want to make a woman excited to hear from you, your texting style needs to be unpredictable. Here's how. B tier, the deep talker, sends long, deep texts all the time. Women like deep convos, but over-texting makes you seem too available. A tier, the small talker, handles all the small talk over text so dates stay fun and fresh. S tier, the unpredictable texter, sometimes replies in 5 minutes, other times waits 3 to 4 hours. This creates dopamine spikes, making you feel like a reward she has to chase. The trick: mix up your response times. The moment she starts wondering, why hasn't he texted yet? You've already won. Number 6, why making her say no increases attraction. Most guys think they need to get a woman to say yes to everything. But what if I told you that getting a woman to say no actually makes her more interested in you? Here's why. People are psychologically wired to protect their choices. When a woman says no, she feels like she's in control. And the moment she feels in control, she actually becomes more invested. Example, instead of saying, "Do you want to grab dinner?" Say, "I know a great place for dinner, but I'm not sure you're ready for it yet." She'll instinctively think, "Why wouldn't I be ready?" And suddenly, she's more engaged. Reversing the dynamic makes her feel intrigued. And that intrigue turns into attraction. Attracting women isn't about luck. It's about understanding the game and playing it the right way. If you're constantly getting ignored, flaked on, or stuck in the friend zone, it's not because you're not good enough. It's because you're making small mistakes that kill attraction. But now, you know the rules. So start using them. Change how you speak, how you text, how you groom yourself, and watch how fast women start seeing you differently. And if you want more game-changing insights, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next one. Because trust me, this is just the beginning.